Google Trends is an amazing and super useful tool by Google. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about global interests, Google Trends is your go-to tool. In this tutorial, I'll cover basics to advanced Google Trends. So just stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll be a Google Trends pro. Open your browser and search Google Trends. Click on the first link. Here's the Google Trends interface. It's like a big magnifying glass for what people are searching on Google. Trust me, it's not rocket science. In simple terms, it shows what's hot and trending right now in the world. Let's suppose you're a gamer. When you check Google Trends, you might notice more searches for cool games to play or awesome game characters. Why? Because many people are excited about games, and Google Trends highlights what's catching everyone's interest. As you can see, there are 3 sections: Home, Explore, and Trending Now. The Home section on Google Trends is like your personalized dashboard. It provides a quick snapshot of what's trending and popular based on your location and interests. The Trending Now section highlights the most rapidly rising search queries at a given moment. It gives you a real-time glimpse into what people are actively searching for, showcasing the hottest and most popular topics on the internet. The Trending Now section in Google Trends includes 2 parts: Daily Search Trends, which shows what people have been searching for the most throughout the day, and Real-Time Search Trends, which reveals what people are searching for right at this moment. This can be beneficial for content creators who want to create content on a trending topic before it gets saturated. You can also select a location from here, choosing from which part of the world you want your data. The Explore section is the most important for us. In this, you can dive deeper into specific topics and search terms. Go to the Explore section. So, here in the search term, let's search GTA 5. You can see the graph. The graph is a visual representation of the popularity of a search term over time. Peaks on the graph indicate periods of high interest, while valleys represent lower interest. Exploring these graphical representations is crucial for understanding when a topic is trending. Here you can see 4 options. Let's see how we can use these in our search terms. First, in the region section, you can select from which region you want your results, worldwide or any specific country. You can go really specific into these. Let's suppose if you want the data of a specific state of any country, then you can also do that like this. For now, let's choose worldwide. The time section allows you to explore how the popularity of a search term has changed over a specified time frame. Let's choose the last 5 years' data of the search term. The category feature allows users to explore search interest within specific topics. Selecting a category refines your search to include only results related to that particular topic. So because our search term is related to gaming, let's choose game. Here you have the option to filter your search by different Google platforms, including web search, YouTube search, and image search. Web search is the most commonly used one because it shows the popularity of a search term on Google's main search engine. You can also select other ones. Let's suppose you are working on a YouTube video, then you can choose YouTube search as well. For now, we will use web search. So here's GTA 5's worldwide search trend of the last 5 years. As you can see, this reaches highs and lows over the last 5 years. 2020 was the year when it was at its highest trend because of COVID-19, I guess, and as you can see, it's pretty stable from then. Now let's learn about the compare section. This is very useful if you want to compare search terms together. You can compare so many search terms together here. Let's compare our GTA 5 search term with GTA 6, which trailer is released recently. As you can see, it has no high spikes from the last 5 years, but recently it has this big spike showing its popularity and interest among the people after the trailer release of it. So during this time frame, if you search this term on Google Trends and create content about this, you can get so much traffic. By understanding the graph, we can also know how a particular search term performs in the future, so we can have the idea if we should create content around that or not. As you can see here, the GTA 6 search term is going down trends, so maybe it's not worth it to create content around it now. But GTA 5's graph is still stable, and maybe we can still create content around that. For more clarity, you can shorten the period of time. Let's suppose the last 30 days or the past hour. 100 is the highest, meaning a particular search term is most trending, and 0 is the lowest. With the help of this, you can understand the trend of the particular search term. You can also download these graphs from here for later analysis. Scroll down here, you see the search interest according to the different regions in the world. Blue color depicts GTA 5 and the orange one is GTA 6. You can see the popularity of both the search results around the world. On the right side, you can see the top countries where this search term is most popular. Scroll down and you will find the related queries. By exploring related queries, you can uncover related topics and discover variations of your main search term and understand what users are interested in within the same interest. This feature is valuable for content creators and marketers looking to expand their content strategy. Here you can see the top related queries related to GTA 5 and 6. The breakouts here refer to search queries or topics that experience a sudden and substantial increase in popularity or interest, indicating a rapid rise in the number of searches for a specific term. Any search term that's growing more than 5,000%, they mark it as a breakout. It means you can also plan your content around these terms. So that's all about Google Trends that you need to know. If you've been following this tutorial till now, I'm sure you're on your way to becoming a Google Trends expert. Just keep practicing. If anything is not clear, rewatch the video and I am sure you'll understand it better. If you love this tutorial, then please like the video, share it with fellow creators, marketers, or anyone interested in trends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's trend together.